Welcome back to Thriftronics, guys, and what we got here in my value village, well, it's a Elesis mini drum kit. Now, it's not actually for kids, this is a proper decent drum kit, a good practice kit for a tabletop, or if you're out camping and you want to accompany somebody on a guitar, this will be absolutely ideal. But does it work? Let's see if it works. They're asking $7.99 for this. And you know what? I see a good $30 profit here before we even plug it in. But it's got to work, obviously. Let's see what we can do here. Get it switched on. And I've never used one of these, so let's work out how to use it. Yep, that's working. That's a good start. That's a Gorilla's tune. Who can beat out there? Yeah, I like that. I'm sure there's a lot more to it than just the basic what I'm doing here. Might be able to run through some stuff at home, but it's got these beats that you can just program in. Well, not program in, it's got them in the memory. So I suspect you could make your own beats and program them in. Yeah, they're asking 47 US for this, used. There's no sticks with it though, so, but there is the power cable, that's pretty good. Pretty sure you could just use regular sticks or soft tip sticks for this, for practice. Any drummer will have their own sticks anyway. You don't really need to be supplying sticks with it. Also, it's got a really good backing track. I bet that would work really well with guitar players. Yeah, let's take this. This is I can't leave this. That's a good $40 there, easy. Easy money on Marketplace. Oh, and I've got a dollar bonus. $7.90. Perfect. So what do you think? I thought $7.99. It's got to be worth $40, isn't it? On at least on Marketplace, hey? $40. Let's take the sticky label off. So when you look at it closely, it's there's a little scratch on the window. It's a bit dirty around the edges, but all in all, it's really, really, really a cool thing. Did you notice when I did the checkout that it said children's toy? I think that's why they had it down at like $8. It's not a children's toy. It's actually a really decent table drum practice unit. Although I don't like I don't like the backing. So we have, all you have to do to press that and then rotate that. That brings the volume down. It shows the drum pattern as it's working along. And yeah, you can practice your drums on it. So you could use it as a backing. Let's use it as a drum kit. I'm happy. That's how I play drums. I'm happy in a bag of sunshine, in a bag. Anyway, you know how that one goes. So you can assign the pads. Oh, Well, you just do that. Let's try that one. Let's change that pad.
One, two, three, four. Okay, very good.
Ready, go.
What?
Ready, go. Go, 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 go.
So could we do? Oh, you just press the pad. Press the pad that you want to assign.
Ready.
No, stop. I don't know what he's doing now. Anyway, it's got to be worth $40, isn't it? Let's clean it up, put it on Marketplace. Till next time.